Hello, welcome to the Rise Academy. My name is Deepak Kumar. Today I am bringing a new topic on a advanced Excel which is recently asked in an interview. In the last video, I have given a data set till this point. That means that all my names are unique. But in such case, like if we have the such few name like Deepak is coming twice. So how can we fetch the twice values? Like we have the Deepak is containing in the Jan, Feb and March in the first row, that is 1200, and in the last row the Deepak is also coming and the values are fetching, it is total becomes 2200. So how can we fetch these values in a Excel with using the formula? So how can we do this? Let's see how can we solve this problem by using the formula. So let's start the solution by using equal to sum product. Then it asks the first argument is array, next is array optional like array 2, array 3. We can pass the n numbers of the array in this function. So first array we will start with a open bracket, and our arrays, first array is our name is our first column. So we have select the first column. Now equal to, if in this column the our requirement column is Deepak, so we will freeze this value and bracket close. Now come to the next parameter, like we will give the multiplication. We need to find the sum. So but sum is, we need to find the, so again we will give the, for the next array we will give the open bracket, but we are passing only in the array 1, not we are taking any array, any further array. But because if we put the comma, then it will shift to the second array, but we are not putting this value, we are just using the first array. The first array we are using the values that is falling under Jan to March. So how can we select? So we will select all the values of the table and bracket close and again bracket close and press hit enter. You will get the answer of the Deepak is 2200. So in the last video which I have discussed, that we have given the Deepak, right? We have given the Deepak. Now we are calculating using the VLOOKUP. In the interviewer asked to us that you can use only the VLOOKUP and you need to find the total sum. So in VLOOKUP can be fetch only the value which are coming on the first place, but if we are looking, the Deepak is coming twice, so VLOOKUP can't be fetched for the whole Deepak. So let's see how can we do through the sum or VLOOKUP. So is equal to, using the sum, and inside the sum we will pass the VLOOKUP, and VLOOKUP given the first argument is the lookup value given, and the table array is the first column. Now we need to fetch the Jan, Feb and March. If you are looking the column number, that is second column, and Feb is on the third and March is on the fourth. So how can we given this column into the inside the column index number? So just press the curly bracket open and given the all column number inside the curly bracket and give curly bracket close comma, and how the approximate match is asking for the what kind of the approximate match you want. So here we want the exact match. So for that we can write the false, or we can write the 0 for the false and 1 for the true. So bracket close, and for the sum the bracket close. Now control shift and hit enter, you will get the answer of 1200. So using the VLOOKUP you can fetch only the first row of the, means ki na, where Deepak is coming on the first place, that will fetch the value. But in that case, if Deepak is falling twice, like some of the values are containing the duplicacy, so in that case we can remove that duplicacy. You can see here that on the first place of the Deepak, it is Jan, Feb and March, the values containing is 300, 400, 500. And similarly in the next month name, the Deepak is coming twice on the second position, the value of the month is different. So in that case we can't be remove, or we can't be just that there is any duplicacy containing. This data is very small, so that's why we are able to find the Deepak is twice. But in such case, like the data is the n number of the line item, so in that case it is very difficult to find out that Deepak is coming how many times, or any client, any other client name is falling under it. So in that case the sum product is the perfect. If you like this video, kindly hit the press subscribe and like the button. Thank you.